Hi guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back once again with The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again. I believe this is the latest early access build as well we're testing out here today to see if we can actually get this game to be somewhat playable. I am using the 30 FPS mod. I'll probably do another video with the 60 FPS mod, because for some reason it seems that this CPU usage on this one is much less than on Ryujinx. Ryujinx's CPU issue was crazy compared to this. This one is running solid, all things considered. Now, once again, I've not played the game on the YUZU emulator yet, so it's gonna load in shaders for the first time here. So I want you guys to see the experience the exact same way I'll see it. So this is can it be played for the first time with an i3 10105. I'm also using an AMD RX 6600, 8GB of VRAM and 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory. As you can see, we're using about 9.5GB of RAM right now, which YUZU uses about 12 to 13. Ryujinx uses about 13. So far, it's all good. But this is the opening area, and we'll see. The 60 FPS area is probably when I get outside, because obviously I know I can do 30, but we'll see if we can do 60 later on. I'll skip the next cutscenes going forward. There's not much that happens here, but what I've noticed so far, considering this is the first time I'm booting up this game, is how smooth this is running. Normally when I test games on YUZU, it stutters like that. It stutters like crazy. This is serviceable, I must say. Like, there is no stutter to me, which is insane. It just isn't a thing. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I may do a comparison video of the two just to show you guys the difference, but holy crap, you guys are going to realize there is a difference. There is certainly a difference. Certainly is one. We gotta go through a lot here because Zelda has to do a lot of talking here with these statues, which I don't have time for. Zelda, I would like to skip some cutscenes too, but we can't always get what we want. But the game is running fabulously at 30, and once again, the only that jump animation needed to load in. Let's load in the sword animations as well. The only reason I clicked on 30 FPS is because I tried Ryujinx already on my channel. You can go check that video. And 60 was not capable on the Ryujinx emulator. The CPU usage is way too much. Just keep that in mind. Anyway, I'm going to mute myself a little bit until we get later on down. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in a bit. We're using 2.7GB of VRAM. That's interesting. Almost 3 whole gigs. Huh. I'll see you guys in a bit.
What is that?
I really wish I could have skipped this cutscene. I can't.
Is that the sword that seals the darkness? The blade that shatters so easily against my power cannot save you from me. Zelda. You who carries that fragile sword. A link. Raru placed his faith in you. And that was all you could do.
How do you know our names?
Hey, I can skip crap again. All things considered, that cutscene is way too damn long, which is why I'm gonna do this a little longer because that cutscene was a bit long. You know, this is AMD as well. You know, AMD has issues, but it does seem to be running quite flawlessly. I'm not gonna lie. And between the two Ryujinks and Yuzu, once again, Yuzu is it's night and day actually. It's not even slightly better. It's night and day, legitimately night and day. I'm gonna fight until I get outside just so that everybody can see what outside looks like real quick. It's probably gonna take a little bit to load in though, but still. Then I'll probably upload this and do my recording of the 60 FPS video and see how that one goes. Still seeing lower CPU usage. The fact I'm only at 35% gives me confidence I can do 60. Definitely gives me confidence. But it's still probably going to be rough on the CPU. This is for a low-end CPU for this apparently. Emulation, it's not as easy anymore. These are pretty good. I remember this struggled on Ryujinks to open that door. Like, it just froze for a sec there. I was like, you're going to open? It's like, maybe next year. Let's see. So my CPU usage is going up, but it's still at 30s. I believe I was in my 50s here. Alright, I have to jump into all the waters. I remember. As long as it doesn't hit 70%, I feel like I'm in a better spot. Okay, here we go. Okay, 45%, 48, 49. 52, I believe it just hit. All right. That's much better if I'm being honest with you. That is way better. Obviously, it's going to take a minute to load in, but it hasn't hit 60% yet. It may now, though. I'll see you guys for the 60 FPS test. It's going to be interesting, at least, when we hit the ground, at least. Stay tuned.